Imagine you could improve your health with a miraculous elixir available in your kitchen cabinet. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been touted for its plethora of health benefits, from aiding weight loss to improving heart health. This simple kitchen staple, made from fermented apple juice, is packed with potential. But how much of its reputation is backed by science? This essay dives deep into the nutritional secrets and surprising effects of apple cider vinegar, unraveling the myths and presenting the facts supported by scientific evidence. Apple cider vinegar is low in calories and contains a modest array of nutrients. A tablespoon of ACV generally contains about 3 calories and virtually no carbohydrates. However, its true value lies in its active compound acetic acid. Acetic acid is what gives ACV its notable sour taste and strong smell. Furthermore, ACV contains certain minerals such as potassium, amino acids, and antioxidants, which contribute to its health-promoting properties. ACV is also a source of polyphenols, plant-based antioxidants that help the body ward off damage from harmful molecules. Researchers link polyphenols to numerous health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved digestion. Despite these components, one should note that the concentration of nutrients in ACV is relatively low compared to whole fruits and vegetables, and therefore should not be relied upon as a primary nutrient source.
Apple cider vinegar is produced during a two-step process, similar to how alcohol is made. The first step exposes crushed apples to yeast, fermenting the sugars and turning them into alcohol. In the second step, acetic acid-forming bacteria, Acetobacter, convert the alcohol into vinegar.
This dual fermentation process not only imparts distinctive flavors, but also forms health-promoting compounds, including acetic acid, gallic acid, catechin, epicatechin, and caffeic acid. Science has begun to shed light on the health benefits associated with regular consumption of apple cider vinegar, making it more than just a salad dressing ingredient. One of the most publicized benefits of ACV is its potential to aid in weight loss. Several studies suggest that acetic acid, its key component, can help reduce fat storage, increase fat burning, and reduce appetite. However, these effects are modest, and ACV should not be considered a silver bullet for weight loss. Continuing with cardiovascular health, some animal studies indicate that apple cider vinegar can help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, potentially leading to a reduced risk of heart disease. Moreover, ACV has shown promise in improving insulin sensitivity and helping manage blood sugar levels, particularly after meals. This aspect is crucial for individuals managing pre-diabetes or diabetes. However, most studies that showcase these benefits are small or conducted in animal models, and more extensive human research is needed to draw more definitive conclusions. This highlights a common theme in the discussion of ACV's health benefits. While the preliminary data is promising, it is not yet conclusive. Despite its health benefits, apple cider vinegar is not devoid of risks or side effects. Its high acidity can lead to enamel erosion on teeth, throat irritation, and digestive issues, especially when consumed undiluted. Overconsumption of ACV can also lead to lower potassium levels in the blood, a serious condition for people taking certain medications or those with existing health conditions. Individuals should be particularly cautious and consult healthcare professionals before incorporating it into their regimen if they have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Moreover, integrating apple cider vinegar with certain medications, particularly insulin or diuretics, can cause adverse interactions, emphasizing the need for professional guidance. The fallacy that more is better does not apply to apple cider vinegar. Safe consumption generally means not exceeding 1 to 2 tablespoons diluted in a large glass of water per day. Following this guideline can help minimize risk and maximize potential health benefits. Introducing apple cider vinegar into your diet can be easy and beneficial if done correctly. Start by adding a small amount to salad dressings or homemade mayonnaise. Another popular method is to dilute it in water and drink it as a beverage before meals. This not only aids digestion, but may also curb appetite. For those new to apple cider vinegar, gradually increasing the amount is essential to assess tolerance and prevent potential side effects. It's also advisable to consume it with food or drink it through a straw to protect your teeth from acid exposure. In conclusion, while evidence supports certain health benefits of apple cider vinegar, it should be consumed with caution and realistic expectations. Balancing the scientific findings with its potential risks will enable individuals to make informed decisions about incorporating apple cider vinegar into a healthy lifestyle.